They said that they are going to stop IPU, they are going to stop Radio Biafra. Buhari identifies Radio Biafra as a major threat. The same thing that he told Obama, and Obama said in 2015. That is what Aisha's boyfriend is doing today. That is what they're doing. They fall on a janjaweed. They think they're smart. They think they're intelligent. People say that they are nothing. They are miscreants. They are nothing. Yet we are the number one. They said it here. Buhari identifies Radio Biafra as a major threat to national security. Approved 654 million to stop its transmission. No wonder. Hoteliers and the pipeline security guard. People who are, these are property developers. Freedom fighter by day, but a hotelier by night. Inconsequentially, because I kept wondering, what is this pig, Asia, who can no longer walk, who can no longer breathe properly? What is this pig doing, talking about Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB? I kept wondering. I never knew that they told them there is money coming to stop Radio Biafra. 654 million. Who wouldn't talk? Every idiot is not talking. Every fool is talking against IPOB. You won't talk against Biafra because they have budgeted 654 million for you to do their dirty work. Oh yeah, these are filthy pigs. People who are an idiot that the dirt, the filth that he's living under has got, can no longer walk or breathe properly. Pig. They were talking rubbish. IPOB, because of our 1st of October sit at home, because all over the world they saw IPOB marching alongside Dudu agitators all over the world, something that has never happened before. The Zoological Republic, we made it possible. And their masters called them, Mustafa called the idiots. Why don't you have a meeting and say something? And people have taught them a lesson. If at all they read the comments, following their useless, idiotic utterances. But they have no shame. You know, somebody, it's just like a harlot who has no shame that can fight a customer on the street. You know, they have no shame. No matter what you tell them, they never go back to go and reason. They never think. Because of this idiot, the zoo allocated 654 million to stop Radio Biafra transmission. Who else commands such influence anywhere in this Zoological Republic? It's only us, only this IPOB, only this Radio Biafra. It doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter the garbage that comes out of your mouth. We are unstoppable. Unstoppable. Go and tell the idiots you are insulting IPOB. What is 654 million naira? It's rubbish. It's chicken feed. That is nonsense. Bring out proper money. Go and feed all these idiots, all these fake freedom fighters that goes behind our back to go and collect contracts to guard pipeline, to go behind our back to go and collect money for settlement, to be building hotels all over the planet, hostels. Those are the idiots that you deserve. We are IPOB. Unstoppable. Unstoppable, I tell you. Buhari identifies. Why didn't they identify you? If you're important, why were you not identified? If people say that, oh, forget them, oh, they are mad, they don't know what they're doing, why is your useless, idiotic, mask-wearing government spending such amount of money trying to stop what they know they cannot stop? We broadcast via satellite. You cannot shoot it down. You don't have the rockets to do it. My voice is being heard all over the place. They said this budget is for Southeast, but people in Lagos are listening to me via FM. People in Kano, they're listening to me via FM. This very night. People in Abuja, they're not listening to me via FM. So, how much are you going to budget for Arewa? How much are you going to budget for Middle Belt? And how much are you going to budget for the West? Because we are rolling out more. This Radio Biafra is going to be in every community preaching the truth. All that nonsense from Obama, keep Nigeria one, has gone. We have destroyed it completely. People now have their eyes open. They can reason. The level of consciousness currently obtainable in the Zoological Republic is as a direct result of the grace of God upon Radio Biafra and IPOB. No other thing. For your information. They are bringing out money to stop us. That's what they do. Is it today we started saying this rubbish? Every time they bring out money. Even remember in 2015, we are not, now we are formidable. Now we are now we are sound. Now we are sound. That I can assure you.